Today we will know a very important function in Excel, which is DGET. So how this function works? First, I will tell you about the basics. We have a long list of employees and they have different IDs and they have different departments and the employees have salaries, different salaries. So if you want to see his department, salary and ID just by a single formula, you can see from these. So let's first of all employee. I will put employee name here, then ID, then department. Okay. Now how? First of all, I will make a drop down of employee name. I will go to data validation, click on data validation and click on list and source. For source, I will just click on this and press down Control Shift and down arrow. Now see, now my drop down is ready. So from here I can choose anybody's name. Now for example, I want to know that what is the employee ID of Julius. It can be easily done by DGET function. So I will put DGET, double click on the DGET. Now here is showing database. Database means that all of the data. So I will just I will put on this and press on Control Shift and down. It has selected all the data. I put on comma. Now what is the field? Field means do you want to know the ID? So I will select this. Okay. Now I will put on comma. And what is the criteria? Criteria is the name. So I will select this. And we close the bracket and press enter. So De Villiers employee code is 101. From here, this is very clear that De Villiers code is 101. Now I will check. We can check another also. Like I want to see of Amna is 126. So Amna employer code is 126. Now if I also want to see in which department Amna is working, so this formula can be dragged down to this, but for drag down, if I drag down to this A1 and B1, D29 will shift. So I will just select that and press F4 to lock that. And also my criteria will change to this, so I don't want to change that. I also select that and press F4. Press enter. I will just drag on that formula. Finance. Let me check. Amna is doing in finance part. So DGET is a very easy formula Excel has developed. I thanks Microsoft Excel for providing us this formula. Thanks for watching my video.